Hey Masters! Welcome to Quiz Master. Today we play Would You Rather Winter or Cold Edition. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel. Are you ready? Let's go! Would you rather churros or tiramisu? Of course I choose berry flour cake. Left or right? This is too hard to choose. Hot side or cold side? What would you choose, hot pot or frozen chocolate cream pie? Would you rather have a barbecue or pineapple lemonade? Hot or cold? Tell us in the comments. Sloppy Joe or ice cream? Sloppy Joe or donuts? You can only choose one. Burritos for winter days or Hershey's ice cream for summer day? Fish and chips or ice cream cake? Sliders or cold coffee? Which one like your taste buds? Meatloaf or pudding? Right one or left one? Choose your one. Next, which you like the most? What you want to pick, grilled vegetables or fruit platter? Meatball sub or cold Greek salad? Impossible to choose. What you want to choose this time, warm peach cobbler or cold vanilla custard? I love hot fudge sundae in cozy winter days. How about you? Fried rice or sushi? Would you rather lobster grilled sandwich or shrimp's cocktail? Next up, want this yummy tacos or this guacamole? Would you rather go with cheeseburger or slush? buffalo wings or snow cones? Make up your decision. Cappuccino or Slurpee? Chicken nuggets or frozen cheesecake? Of course I choose baked lasagna. Left or right? This is too hard to choose. Hot side or cold side? What would you choose, baked potatoes or tomatoes bruschetta? Would you rather subscribe our channel or like our channel? Hot or cold, tells in the comments. Grilled marshmallow or popsicles? Would you rather molten lava cake or chocolate ice cream? French fries or soft ice cream? Pizza Hut pizza or hot cookie dough? World hottest chips or comment your fave ice cream? Eggnog for winter days or lemonade for summer day? Which one like your taste buds? Which one you like the most? Iced tea or apple cider vinegar? Would you rather coffee or chocolate milkshake? Choose your snacks. Next, which you like the most? What you want to pick, hot coffee or cold coffee? Hot chocolate or ice cream sundae, impossible to choose. What you want to choose this time, hot soup or fresh fruit salad? I love roasted chestnut in cozy winter days. How about you? Would you rather mac and cheese or chicken grilled sandwich? Next up, want this yummy s'mores or this cooling chocolate cake? Would you rather go with pizza or ice cream? Pick your next challenge. See you in the next video.